What do you think? Eli. Elias. Woohoo. Oh, he loves my shoes. What does he like? I don't have my red slippers.
I have no clue. He's looking at my knees. The knees.
Hi. Hi, cuteness. Hello.
Are you taking a video?
Yes. He likes that button. I like that button.
That is a nice
That is
button.
a
Do you
nice
have any
button.
buttons here?
No, just the one on your shirt.
It wasn't awful, but it wasn't great.
Did you sniff on his head? Did you kiss his head? It's so nice. Nom 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 nom.
His hair gets in my nose.
Hair got in your nose?
It's fine. I'll probably...
Sweet there.
What you doing? Eli, hi. What you doing?